Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a timeless debate with a 2025 twist. Notion versus OneNote. Which one is truly better for your productivity needs? Both apps have evolved a lot, but let's break it down step by step so you can decide for yourself. First up, let's talk features. Notion is like all-in-one powerhouse, offering customizable databases, wikis, and even project management tools that make it perfect for teams and complex workflows. On the flip side, OneNote shines with its excellent handwriting recognition, easy integration with Microsoft Office, and straightforward note organization. Ideal if you're jotting down ideas on the go. Now, when it comes to user interface, Notion's modern and flexible design lets you build pages exactly how you want, but it might have a slight learning curve for beginners. OneNote, however, keeps things simple and intuitive, making it a breeze for anyone familiar with Microsoft products. Pricing is another key factor. Notion offers a generous free tier, but premium features like unlimited blocks and advanced sharing start at around $8 per month. OneNote is mostly free with a Microsoft account, which is a huge plus if you're already in the Office ecosystem. Collaboration-wise, Notion takes the cake in 2025 with real-time editing, comments, and seamless team integrations, while OneNote has improved but still feels more basic for group work. And for mobile users, both apps have solid performance, though Notion's app is more feature-packed with offline access and quick syncing. So, which one wins? It really depends on you. If you're a power user needing versatility for work or projects, go with Notion. But if you want something simple for daily notes and quick sketches, OneNote is the way to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech comparisons. See you in the next video.